Namaste and hello everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about an interesting scientific perspective to the Shiva Tando Stotra. Verse 2. Let us begin decoding.
In our previous episode of Decoding Shiva Tandava Stotra, we described the story behind its inception and the scientific approach to verse 1. In this episode, we will demystify verse 2. So let us see verse 2 of Shiva Tandava Stotra. जटाः कटाः समभ्रम भ्रमण्यलिम्प निर्झरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टपावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणं मम. When we talk about Shiva, some images come to our mind, and our perception is dictated by our predetermined thoughts and descriptions about Shiva. However, here I would like to describe a rather non-conventional perspective of Shiva. So let us first see some words used in verse 2 and their corresponding meanings. This would help us to understand the verse better. Jata, a complex structure such as the black hole, metaphorically dreadlocks. Kataha, mat. Sambhrama, spinning. Brahman, revolve or rotate. Nilimpa, unsteady and fast. Nirjhari, stream. Vilola, waving or moving to and fro or whirling. Vichi, ripple. Vallari, any climbing or creeping plant-like. Virajman, stationed. Murdhani, summit. Dhagad is the sound. Jwalal, burning or fiery. Lalat, front. Pat, band. Pavake, fiery or burning. Kishore, adolescent or new. Chandra, moon. Shekhare, crest. Ratihi, affection. Pratikshanam, every moment. Mamaha, my. Now let us see the overall meaning of this verse 2. The celestial event of stars spinning out of the black hole is forming a mat-like structure around it. The stream of unsteady ripples of stars or asteroids is creeping out and rising around everywhere. The momentous and exuberant newly generated astronomical objects are whirling around the dark object, depicting a burning fire band stationed on the summit of the mysterious source of the creation. From the front, the fiery cracking sound of dhagad 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 is emerging due to the ultra-high speed of revolving stars. The appearance of the overall intriguing occurrence is like a newly moon placed upon the crest of the darkest object. My spontaneous affection towards the creation is deepening. Now let us see the description with the help of an illustration. The black hole, Jata, is the center part. It is surrounded by a pen-like structure, Kata. The newly generated stars or planets are spinning, that is defining the meaning of Sambhrama. They are also rotating or revolving around it, that is Brahman. The stream of stars are coming out of the pen, that is Nirjhari, which is producing ripples, Vichi, and climbing like a creeping plant, Vallari. Now let us zoom in further. And more. And even further. It appears that newly generated astronomical objects are stationed at the summit of the black hole, that is Virajman Murdhani. The burning fire sound is Dhagad Dhagad Dhagad. Patt Pavake is the band of fire. And finally, Kishore Chandra Shekhare is depicting the new moon appearance on its crest.